Hey, so believe it or not, me and you are in the same space right now. Obviously not physically, but we're here together living on the internet, well specifically Web 2.0. Web 2.0 basically consists of everything that you're staring at your screen right now. You as the user have the ability to interact with the web in your own specific way. Through different mediums, you can create user-generated content which adds to Web 2.0. In this way, you're adding to Web 2.0, and in return, it's adding to you. Believe it or not, Web 2.0 has created me, and most likely you as well. Let me explain. The French theorist Pierre Bourdieu had a social theory of habitus, which says that our interactions with the world and our social surroundings help us to understand, think, act, and feel. Through these social processes, we ultimately shape the way we interpret and give meaning to actions and observations. Now with Web 2.0, we are not seen only as the users and the viewers. We're now encouraged and practically demanded to contribute online. Through our interaction of mediums online, Van Dyke identified that there are four main groups of online participation. They're the active creators who create content for us to consume. There are the critics as well, who are you as the audience who give ratings. The collectors who save URLs to pass on content and share it, like videos and reposts. And the joiners, the people who join online communities or sign up for something, who may not actively contribute to the internet, but they still observe what's there. These online actions we perform unknowingly let us go through the process of habitus. Felicia Wusong has applied the habitus theory to the concept of Web 2.0. Through our active participation, we are socialized into a new, imagined and online community. Through simple acts like liking, commenting, sharing, or reading comments, you're opening yourself up to a new learning experience where you learn new norms, expectations, and rules of communication and activity on an online space. Just like Bourdieu's original social theory of habitus, we're learning how to act, feel, and think just in a cyber context. Just like the offline world, the online sphere depends on authority figures and operational structures to govern how we use the web and what behaviors are acceptable and what the expectations are. Song describes these controlling forces perfectly, saying, how membership is managed, how social control is maintained, and how participation is enacted, and how practices are legitimized, can reveal the cultural assumptions and categories that animate and give meaning to online interactions. Through Song's quote, we can see that the experience of Web 2.0 is both individual and collective, from what we learn to what we do and how we are controlled. So from Bourdieu's social theory of habitus, when we engage with Web 2.0, we learn and gather meanings from online behaviors and exploration. By joining websites and online communities, we're still creating Web 2.0. Our participation helps socialize us into the online environment, and now we are now the producers and audience of Web 2.0.